Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're diving into a beginner's guide to AI, specifically focusing on Chapter 4 to build your ready-to-use toolkit of prompts that'll give you practical, immediate wins. We're going to be looking at a concept that takes all the guesswork out of talking to AI, turning you from a hesitant beginner into a confident power user in a matter of minutes.
So, let me ask you this. Do you ever just stare at that blank chat box, totally paralyzed by what to type? You know artificial intelligence can help you write that email, plan that trip, or study for that test. But finding the exact right words to ask it, it's a chore. It's frustrating, right? Well, I want to assure you there's a much easier way. You absolutely do not need to reinvent the wheel every single time you open your AI tool.
Here's our quick roadmap for the Explainer today. We're covering the magic of prompt templates, personal productivity, smarter studying and writing, business ideas and new skills, and finally, how to mix, match, and master them. Nice and categorized so we don't get overwhelmed.
Let's kick things right off with Section 1, the magic of prompt templates. Stop guessing, start filling in the blanks. The big takeaway here is that you don't need to learn complex prompt engineering theories to get amazing results. You just need a solid starting point.
There's this core philosophy directly from the source text that I really want us to lean into. Great prompting often starts with great templates. Seriously, when you rely on proven, structured sentences, you save massive amounts of time and frustration. Instead of just crossing your fingers and wondering if the AI will understand you, you use a framework that's already been tested and works perfectly.
So let's demystify exactly what we're talking about here. A prompt template is simply a fill-in-the-blank sentence that works across a bunch of different situations. Think of these templates kind of like a simple Mad Libs puzzle that anyone can complete. You provide the framework and you just drop in your specific topic. They act exactly like training wheels for powerful AI prompting, keeping you balanced right up until you're ready to write on your own.
The core idea from the source is incredibly simple. Good prompts equal better results. When you use these templates, you're essentially guaranteeing a high-quality output from the AI every single time. Let's actually see this in action.
That brings us to Section 2. Boost your personal productivity. Master your daily chaos. Let's tackle a highly relatable problem. We all have those mornings where the routine is messy, the inbox is overflowing, and the day just feels completely chaotic before it even begins. Well, here is your personal productivity toolkit to fix exactly that. We've got 3 primary templates here: the task organizer, the daily planner, and the to-do list creator. Consider these your absolute silver bullets for those daily friction points. Instead of letting the day manage you, these templates let you manage your day.
Listen to this exact formula for the task organizer. Act as a productivity coach. Help me break down task into small, manageable steps. Keep it beginner-friendly. This is beautifully designed to instantly structure overwhelming projects. All you do is replace that bracketed word with your nightmare task. Maybe it's writing a 3-page essay or cleaning out the garage, and the AI just hands you a perfect, stress-free staircase to get it done.
And if your brain is just dumping scattered chores onto a notepad, here is the to-do list formula. Just type, "Turn this messy list into an organized to-do list sorted by urgency and importance." Then literally just paste your random thoughts right underneath it. It's a massive quick win for transforming scattered panic into a prioritized action plan. Moving right along into the afternoon of our hypothetical day, we hit Section 3, smarter studying and writing, crush writer's block and complex topics. Let's talk about overcoming those study hurdles and creative blocks. Because really, your AI can be the ultimate study and writing buddy. Let's look at the specific templates from the guide that make learning new subjects and creating content feel completely effortless.
Think about this arsenal of tools available for students, writers, or honestly just lifelong learners. You've got the Explain Like I'm 10 template, the flashcard generator, and the study quiz. And for content creators, you can use the Writing Helper, Outline Builder, or the Rewrite This tool. These literally allow you to instantly generate quizzes from heavy textbooks, outline a whole blog post, or just finally overcome the dread of the blinking cursor.
Okay, this one is my absolute favorite. The Explain Like I'm 10 prompt. Explain topic like I'm 10 years old. Use simple words and an example. This acts as a silver bullet for grasping intimidatingly complex subjects. Whether you're trying to understand how photosynthesis works or what cryptocurrency actually is, just plug it into the brackets and the AI translates all that academic jargon into plain, simple English.
Now we shift gears to our third category, Section 4, business ideas and new skills, your evening brainstorming toolkit. You've finished your workday, you've done your studying, and now you have some free time in the evening. This is where we use AI for high-level business thinking and picking up brand new skills.
The guide actually shows how AI can act as a highly reliable startup mentor. Seriously, with the right templates, you can basically get the thumbs up on your next big idea before you spend a single dime testing it.
Let's run through the templates specifically designed to turn a tiny spark of a late-night idea into a concrete, executable action plan. You get the brainstorming buddy, the compare and decide tool, the first steps plan, and the step-by-step guide. We also have Teach Me the Basics and the progress plan. Let's look closely at how a couple of these actually sound when you type them out.
Listen to how powerful this first steps plan template is. Act as a startup mentor. I want to start, type of business. Give me the first 5 steps to take, clearly explained. I love this because it completely eliminates the friction of starting a new side hustle. Want to start an online course for seniors? Plug it in. Want to sell printables? Plug it in. It gives you immediate clarity on what to actually do tomorrow morning.
And if it's a new skill you're after, here is the progress plan template. Help me create a 30-day plan to start learning skill as a complete beginner. Include daily or weekly goals. This builds a structured day-by-day roadmap for mastering any new skill from scratch. You know, you could even use this template to create a 30-day plan to learn how to use AI.
All right, all of this brings us perfectly to our final category, Section 5, Mix, Match, and Master. Level up your prompting. We've looked at the individual tools. Now it's time to introduce the pro tips that allow you to combine these tools for exponential power.
You've made some great progress today. We are officially transitioning from those basic fill-in-the-blanks to advanced prompt mixing. You're ready to graduate to template mastery.
Let's walk through these 3 simple steps to build a customized, repeatable system. Step 1, just copy, paste, and adjust. You don't need to memorize these at all. Step 2, keep a prompt notebook. Just a digital document where you save the templates that work best for you so you never lose a great prompt. And step 3, the real secret sauce. Mix templates together. So, what does the ultimate result of that mixing actually sound like? Listen to this formula. Act as a coach. Create a 30-day beginner plan to get better at public speaking. Use a friendly tone and short tasks. See what we did there? We mixed a role prompt, a progress plan template, and a tone constraint all into one super prompt. When you do this, the results from the AI will absolutely blow you away.
The source guide goes on to provide a simple framework showing how to structure prompts so they don't break when you refine them. If unpacking this source material was useful to you, hey, consider subscribing. I'll be explaining more chapters in upcoming explainers. So, to wrap up our time together, I want to leave you with one final provocative question. Now that you have this incredibly powerful toolkit of templates at your fingertips, what is the very first frustrating task in your life you're going to automate today? Pick one, grab a template, and go get that quick win. See you next time.